everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Lucy and thank you very much for coming back and always supporting me. If you're new to my channel, thank you and a very big welcome to you all. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you this one drink that I have tried, and what you need to do is just drink it first thing in the morning for 30 minutes before you eat anything on an empty stomach, and it will do a lot of wonders. It is very simple, straightforward, and it only requires what? Just 3 ingredients. Yes, my magic word is 3 ingredients. It's very good, simple to make. Most of the ingredients you find at home, you don't need to go out and buy it. And it's simple to make, very quick. You can make it in less than 5 minutes. It doesn't need long. So I will let you watch the video, but before you do that, if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free to subscribe. You don't need to pay. So hit that subscribe button, you know, that red button down there that's got my name on there, Health and Fitness with Lucy. Just hit that, and don't forget to press that bell notification so anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified and you will not miss out on anything. So without any further ado, I will leave you to watch the video, but don't forget to watch the entire video to get the whole benefit of it. Thank you for stopping by once again. Have a blessed Mother's Day and God bless you. Love you all.
To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette.